Has SARS-CoV-2 been isolated? In short, no, not by the rigorous definition. Unfortunately, in the modern era, isolation does not mean the purported virus particles have been fully separated and purified. Many people send me links to papers claiming to have isolated SARS-CoV-2, most of which I have already read. In fact, our Virus Mania team have contacted many of these authors to clarify what they actually did. As I've shown previously on direct questioning, none of the authors of these so-called isolation papers claimed that they had a purified sample. Even Michael Law from the Robert Koch Institute wrote in an email that we received on September 4, 2020, "I'm not aware of a paper which purified isolated SARS-CoV-2. I've also been asked about GenBank. GenBank is a public database website that lists the purported genetic sequences for hundreds of thousands of organisms, and they have a reference genome sequence for SARS-CoV-2. The problem with this is that if nobody had a purified virus, how did they get the genetic sequence? Well, these new viral sequences are created by PCR. They take artificial and hypothetical primers based on existing genetic sequences available in GenBank and mix them with a sample from a patient. That is, with tens of billions of different RNA and DNA molecules. If the primers attach to a sequence in the sample, they conclude that it must be from the new and previously unknown SARS-CoV-2. What would Carrie Mullis have said about these fishing trips for bits of genetic material? I'm pretty sure, like our Virus Mania team, he would not have accepted it as the claimed proof. We cannot draw definitive conclusions from this methodology with regards to the provenance of the genetic material. Furthermore, the mere existence of genetic material does not establish pathogenicity either, i.e., genetic snippets may be present, but this doesn't cause disease or mean you are infectious. And don't forget that there is over €225,000 up for grabs for anyone that can prove the actual isolation of SARS-CoV-2 and its genetic substance. Last time I checked, there were no takers.